Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine. Today in this video, you'll be knowing about the feedback, its meaning, definition, need and importance, then the feedback for the teachers and the administrators. In general, feedback is a kind of information or a comment about something that you have done which will tell you how good or bad it is. Hence, feedback is essential in almost every aspect of life, but it is much more important in the teaching and the learning process. Introduction education without a teacher is just like a body without a soul or a shadow without any substance. Similarly, teaching without the feedback is incomplete. Feedback provides information to an individual or the group of individual about its behavior or the performance in order to enhance his strength and reduce his weakness. Meaning and concept of feedback. Feedback is essential part of the education and the training programs because it helps the learner to maximize their potential. Feedback acts as a bridge between the teachers and the student as it tells about the strength and the weaknesses to each other. Definition of the feedback. According to the Good Dictionary of Education, feedback is the process whereby the observer reports to a group on how well it is functioning. Then comes the feedback cycle. Discuss issue, analyze causes and consequences, create option and solution, commit to action, and then the evaluate performance improvement. Then comes the types of the feedback: positive feedback, negative feedback, verbal feedback, non-verbal feedback, oral feedback, written feedback. Then comes the need and importance of the feedback. Feedback is very important process because it gives us information in such a way that encourages the recipient to accept it, reflect on it, learn from it and make the changes for their betterment, to optimize the student learning and growth, to establish better teacher student relationship, for the self-evaluation, for healthy classroom, for the professional development, for proper coordination with the organization. Then comes the feedback for the teachers. Feedback for the teachers is quite important because teachers are considered as the ocean of knowledge. They have much more to tell the students, but it is very important that the teacher gives the knowledge to the student according to their cognition level. Certain ways by which the feedback of the teachers can be controlled from the students. First one is teaching classroom observation. Then comes the foundation of positive student and the teacher relationship, teacher portfolio, students result, teachers self-evaluation, standardized tool to record the teacher's performance, survey of the student and parents, students national examination, recording of the lecture, professional development. All this can be used to control the feedback for the teachers from the students. Then comes the feedback for the administrators. Feedback for the administrators is very important because it is administrators who are responsible for the betterment of the administrational work of the school. Primary purpose of the school administration feedback are optimize student learning and growth, contribution in the development of the goal and objective of the school, provide basis for the leadership improvement, promote the collaboration between the school administrators, promote self growth, leadership effectiveness, improvement of the overall job performance. Then comes the ways of effective feedback for the administrators. First one is leadership for the student learning. Then comes the school climate that should be safe, positive and academically engaging. Then comes the human resource leadership. Then comes the organizational management. Then comes the communication and community relationship, professionalism, self-evaluation, informal observation, document log, school climate survey, goal setting for the professional development. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay safe, keep on learning, and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. See you soon in the next video.